Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. I have uploaded both Avanti Bar 3200D in Tamil language in my last video in my channel. Today I'm going to give you a brief detail. I am using this product for last 28 days. I have purchased on March 28th and today is 18th April. Okay, guys, I have kept the soundbar here. Let me show you the controller first. The controller is also good and decent enough to use. We have a lot of bass, treble, sound, increase, decrease, movie, music, news, all the effects. Actually, these effects look simple but working great. If you are watching movie, if you press this movie button, the movie voice is crystal clear. If you are using to watch music, just put the player on and press the music. If you are using Bluetooth or USB, the music really works well. The news gives audio very high and the background noise and music will be reduced. Remote function is really great, guys. Let me show you the soundbar. I kept this soundbar under my PC table and I kept my rear satellite speakers backside to my chair. Actually, these satellite speakers need separate power cable. I kept the power box there. Actually, the power cable between the rear speaker is too short, just 6 feet, 6 feet height. So I kept in this way. Actually, my room is about 20 feet length and 15 feet height. I'm going to change the room in this direction. So the speaker 5.1 will be great to use in this room. Actually, even this room is not enough, guys. 20 feet room is not enough for this 5.1 speaker. Their sound is, I kept the volume in 0.10. 0.10 is good enough for me. Okay, let me show you some video for the sound quality.
Order, there's no more in this chaos of a world.
Thought long and hard about ethics.
We will finish this thing one way or another.
Responsibility.
The listeners asked me to remind you of why you have your freedom.
About rule of law.
They'll be back until every decent person in this town is dead.
Then I decided I'd just do this.
Ain't this shit today to be thankful for?
Here's where I stab you all in the back.
Just imagine that you kill us in broad daylight, but
Guys, I can clearly receive the voice and each and every single sound. I have heard the bullet sound, that blasting sound, the dropping bullet sound also I'm hearing well because of this 5.1 speaker. Let me show you another details. This particular soundbar having Dolby audio and also having Dolby digital. In my PC it shows both. 3D sound is also working very well. This is Avanti Bar 3200D latest model, 2023 model. What we get in box is just a soundbar, remote control, wall mount kits. Yes, I got the wall mount kit, 2 sets, and connection cable. Connection cable in the sense just rear speaker cables and front subwoofer cable and power cable, DC cable, and just single aux cable. If you use the aux cable, you will receive only 2.1. Guys, I kept the woofer here, the right hand side corner. I kept here because the power cable for woofer is also too short, just 4 feet. Guys, you can see here I'm using HDMI 2.1 cable from PC to the soundbar. You can see here, actually light is not enough. I I'm using HDMI cable. Actually, what are the things we can use here is USB, Bluetooth, aux cable, optical cable, HDMI ARC. Guys, you have to listen the important thing. If you use this aux cable, you can use only 2.1. If you use optical cable, it will give 5.1 effect, but in the system, in the sense computer, it will not show the 5.1 or doesn't give any effect softwares. But if you use this HDMI ARC, it will work the perfect way. The HDMI is the best option. I'm using this 54-inch TV, 4K TV as my monitor. LG latest TV. This TV is also launched February 2023, and I purchased it and using it as my PC monitor. Oh, sorry guys, just I slipped my phone. Actually, this speaker really sound effect is great. If you use HDMI ARC, it will give you best effect and best thing. Just wait for my YouTube channel, guys. Guys, this is my YouTube channel, Boger World. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you use YouTube, Prime Video, Hotstar, Z5, any application using internet, it will give the 5.1 Dolby Digital, Dolby Audio, every support. Let me open my channel video and hear the sound effect. Guys, I can hear the 5.1 3D effect. Each and every shot I can hear well, and I can hear my backside. I can hear my the back shot sounds, guys. If you use Prime Video like this movies, you can see Black Adam, Kabza, Pathan, a lot of movies. Fast and Furious, everything having Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos support, guys. Even in Disney Hotstar, you can see all Avenger movies, all Marvel movies are available with Dolby Audio. It will be best to use such a 5.1 like boat for watching this movie in excellent sound system. Let me show the price, guys. Actually, I bought this for 16,999, delivered in a single day. Really, it was a great purchase I did. Okay, let me show another final one sound effect video, and let me show you the Dolby Digital where it works. Okay guys, I think you hear the last video with a lot of sound effect because that was edited video for my channel. Okay, let me show you the digital how Dolby Digital works and Dolby Audio works. Just right click on the speaker symbol and open this particular option and go to the playback device and choose what you are using. I'm using digital, that is HDMI. Just use the property and let me show you the tick mark DTS audio Dolby digital. Everything is available. If you choose default is 48 hertz. If you choose 96 hertz, it will be much better. Guys, you can see here in PC it supports Windows 10 DTS audio Dolby digital, and Dolby audio defaultly available in our sound bar. Guys, really this 5.1 speaker I am amazing to use, such a great sound effects. A lot of music videos are available in YouTube but not supported to upload in a channel. For that I'm unable to show you those videos. Really I'm using for 28 days since I bought. I'm just keeping in the sound volume of 10. 10 itself great enough for my room, 20 feet room. Then think about the quality of this product. Actually boat is the best product to purchase compared to all other products. At this price this product is great. If you want the same 5.1 speaker in any other brand, you need to spend lot of money. Okay guys, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel guys.